Welcome to Whitlock Garage, where we're united by trucks. Today on Whitlock Garage, we're headed back up to Murphy, North Carolina to get another truck. Alright guys, so we've been up to Murphy, North Carolina a couple of times. That's where we bought the 72 step side roller. I'll link that video down in the description for that truck. But we're headed back up to pick up the white 85 two-wheel drive dually that we bought from those guys up in Murphy. We're really excited about that truck. Got some cool plans for it, but it's going to be one of the last trucks that we buy for a little while. Obviously, we've got a lot of projects going on around, and of course, as I say this, there'll be something else that pops up that we just can't live without. But here at Whitlock Garage and at the truck farm, we've got plenty of projects, and we're actually at the truck farm right now, loading up the trailer, about to head to Murphy, North Carolina. So you'll be seeing John with me here in just a few minutes. I'm gonna go inside and grab him. Hang tight for the ride. We're gonna show you us driving up, picking up this 85 dually, and bringing it back to the truck farm for now. We got the K5 right over here. It's gonna be coming to Whitlock Garage very soon. So we got some great plans from it, some great feedback on that video already in the comments, so I'll link that down below as well. But y'all hang tight, we'll show you what we're working with. All right guys, so we made it up to Murphy, North Carolina. Got John in the driver's seat over here, pulling around to the dually right now. So we'll show you some more about what that looks like as we get to load this thing up. But they actually pulled it out, which was pretty cool. So you can see it there in the foreground. So we're gonna get this thing all loaded up here in just a second. So y'all hang tight. Don't freak out if you see these guys running around with cameras. Winch gave out on us, or at least the battery, so we got a tractor coming to pull this thing up. Y'all watch this. All right guys, so I was working on this video last night and I realized that you might be thinking that us pushing the dually up on the trailer with the tractor is our biggest mistake. It's definitely not. We do that all the time. So we didn't hesitate at all when the owner of the truck wanted to do that. We actually asked him to do that because we saw the tractor on the way in. But you got to keep watching to the end till you see what real destruction looks like. So watch all the way to the end. Make sure that you're tuned in. It's going to get dark, so maybe a little hard to see, but you'll definitely know what's going on when I turn the camera around and give you a little bit of play-by-play as to what John and I actually got into. By the way, we got new United by Truck shirts up on the website. This is one of the new ones with the truck profile across the front. That's actually Teddy, that my friend John Packer traced and digitized, so we'll actually be dropping a link down to his Instagram down below. Also on the back is the base SPT logo. I'll throw a screenshot of what that looks like here, but go to unitedbytrucks.com, grab your UBT gear, grab some decals while you're there. We're currently shipping all this stuff out now, so be sure to head over to unitedbytrucks.com and grab your UBT gear today. Now back to the video. bet this truck weighs every bit of, I don't even know. We got this bad boy on the trailer. As you can see, this is quite a load. Sammy the Silverado's gonna get it home. John's over there finishing up the strap job. You gotta check this thing out. So it's dirty, and it might have actually been painted before, but it's gonna clean up real nice. The 6.2 diesel's got a little bit of a fuel issue. We're gonna get that sorted out. Put this baby back on the road. Gobble for me, turkey. Alright guys, so we made it back to the truck farm. You can see we got the dually on the trailer there. We're about to pull it off with, guess what? A tractor. Yep, that's how we do things around the truck farm. John's over here, about to fire the tractor up. We're gonna pull this bad boy off the trailer. Not sure how that happened.
Do what?
I'm not sure how that happened. You know what we just did?
What?
We also didn't undo the winch.
Oops.
We have really butchered that.
Jerk the whole winch off. What are we thinking? We aren't. We're tired. Dude.
Alright guys, this is what happens when you try to unload a truck when you're tired. First, I didn't have the emergency brake off the truck, so I thought that might have been it. We realized there's definitely a drum sticking on the right passenger side, but man, we forgot to take the winch cable off the front. So you know what we just did? I hopped in the truck, put it in four-wheel drive, pulled it forward. John pulled backwards on the tractor. We pulled the freaking winch out without unhooking it from the truck. Yep, we just pulled the winch off of our trailer like a bunch of dummies, but that's what happens when you're tired. So we're gonna go fix the winch, probably just buy a new one, and we'll catch you next time on Whitlock Garage, because we're a bunch of dummies. Yeah.
Anybody want to buy a winch cheap?
If you want to see more shenanigans like this, subscribe to Whitlock Garage. Leave us a like under the video, and definitely leave us a comment down below and let us know how big of idiots we are. So there'll be more to come, I'm sure, of these types of shenanigans from Whitlock Garage and the truck farm. Be gentle, hashtag be gentle. We're gonna leave it right here with you today on Whitlock Garage. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Cue the music.